Hey y'all, it's Shelly. I wanted to hop on here and give a quick review of this rolling whiteboard. It did come with all the pieces and parts as well as the instruction manual that we needed. It was very well laid out with what needed to go together and how it needed to go together and everything. So we quickly got it out of the box and we laid all of the legs and everything, and they even sent you some magnetic markers and a magnetic eraser, which was really cool. So we put the wheels on first, just like the instructions told us to do. Everything went together relatively easy and nicely. It took me and my dad maybe 20 minutes to put all the pieces together, so it was pretty quick. It is a very large whiteboard, so definitely measure your space or where you want to put it because it is large. It is great because it has two sides, so depending on what you want to use it for, it does have the multiple sides. It has wheels on all four legs, which is great, so you can wheel it around wherever you need it. We were lucky enough to get this for free from Vever, the company VEVOR, in exchange for our honest and unbiased review. Like I said, all the pieces were well put together. It does have that mechanism right there where you can screw that in farther, and it kind of just pinches the board in it, so there's not any holes or anything that goes through the board itself. So we put it in place, and as you can see, it turned out great. Like I said, it is large. This is in a very big shop, so you can see just how big it is, but it's great for us because we have a lot of vehicles, and we plan on putting on different drawings and schematics and things like that we need to take a look at. We can wheel it around if we want. It does have this angle, so you can angle it how you want, or you can just pull this or unscrew that a little bit and put it flat up and down. So depending on how you want it, you can do that. And like I said, it does have the other side, and both sides are magnetic, so you can put the markers and the eraser or any kind of magnets that you want to put up there to remember everything. So all in all, definitely a great item to get if you need it for anything like this, and we would definitely recommend it. So if you're on the fence and you're thinking about it, I would say go for it, and I hope it does great for you like it has for us.